What's good, YouTube? Today reacting to Karen steals a police car and instantly gets arrested. Really. She gone.
The police receive a call about a Karen assaulting a man, but what they don't know is that this seemingly routine arrest is about to spiral into chaos, an event so unusual that even seasoned officers could hardly believe it.
What happened?
Have you go sit right on the end right here while I go talk to them. Just don't want you to get hit because people can't see.
Oh yeah, she on drugs. That shit she got on looking like, what's his name, bro? The nigga who be getting into the honey, bro. The nigga in the red shirt, the teddy bear. She got her legs open. That shit hit. If it don't hit.
See, just go sit at the end of the driveway.
She taking hit. I ain't
ID on you.
Way in the middle. Useless. It don't do nobody no motherfucker good.
I'm gonna go check on him real quick. Is he friendly?
Need
medical attention?
You had your dog out on me. You gotta put that mud. You gotta put that mud up. I ain't gonna lie. The officer, see, she better than me. I walk around here. Your dog's running. You gotta put your dogs up coming around.
I see the back of it.
I ain't gonna lie.
I was in the house and I look out the window. Here she comes storming up the driveway, all red in the face.
She got pissed off at me and kicked.
Tried to stay away from her.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to arrest her just because she did assault you. I'm gonna be right back.
Now, do the whole family look like this?
You can take her straight to jail. You got a secondary unit?
No, I'm gonna go try to talk to her. She wasn't super cooperative though. Alright, bye. Fortunately, you're gonna be under arrest for assaulting him.
What the
It don't matter
fuck?
because he can do whatever.
Like a baby.
Okay.
No
I mean,
tears.
but once I start getting a little irritated back, ooh.
Okay, you just can't touch him though. I need you to stand up, put your hands behind your back. Courtney, you need to stand
Not
up,
Karen.
put your hands behind your back.
You can't.
Yeah, she one of those ones that's gonna give you a hard
Well, if you can
time.
behave and put your hands in the front for me,
Whatever.
I'll be cooperative with you, okay? Okay,
He gets away with what he did, okay?
Do you have anything in your purse? They're gonna toss it at the jail, so.
What am I supposed to do? Shove it on my ass sideways? Well, whatever. Yes. Look at all my gets thrown away and I get again. Shove it on. What am I supposed to do?
Toss it in
Lose all
here.
my
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Unless you want it, if you can leave it with them.
No!
With a Dr. Pepper.
Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Now you're gonna force me.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back. Put
Yeah, she
Get
just-
in the car.
the bag down.
She just smoked that other cigarette that fast? Yo!
I'm not leaving my stuff. Not leaving my stuff.
Put the bag on the ground.
Not leaving my stuff.
I didn't
you
say
can't make me leave my stuff.
I'm not gonna make you leave it.
You
take.
You better make
Oh my god.
Don't
Get away
put
from
it
me.
down.
Call somebody. Get somebody here.
Put your bag on the ground.
You ain't making me leave my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
Why? So I can
Oh
leave
my
it.
god. See, you dealing with grown ass baby, bro. I can't deal with no grown ass baby. She's sitting up there getting ready to bite this bitch, turn it into a piranha in the face over that hoe.
You're gonna make me lose my. Make me lose more of my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
You're gonna make me lose more of my.
6-4-11.
You're gonna f me too, huh, Popo? Hi. Popo f me too.
Emergency. Put it on the ground.
You f me.
Put it on the
Why?
ground.
So I can leave it?
6-4-11, can you repeat your traffic?
Are you gonna break my arm? Break my arm?
Emergency.
For what? You or me?
Put it. Put
You're
it
gonna
on
make
the
me lose
ground.
more of my. This is my.
Put it on the ground.
My.
Hey, Jared.
6-4-15, we're only getting a click. Are you clear on that?
In
I
route.
don't like that.
I'd
I
probably
don't
go
like
back
how
on
you
the
keep pushing your head. I don't like that.
2018.
Alright, I think you're right.
That boy got a trainee with him. That boy
Put your bag
nervous.
on the ground.
That boy first date.
Huh? You f me too? You gonna f me too? You're gonna f me too? I'm gonna sue the pants
Give
off
me
you.
your other arm.
I'm gonna sue the pants off you. What's your name? I'm gonna sue the pants off you.
What money you got to sue?
No, wait.
That's her truck right there.
You can't touch me. I'm suing you. Hands. You.
Ugh. That boy trainee got something to prove.
Whatever.
Yeah, the car didn't even stop yet, and he already hopping out that mug. Hold on, we gotta get the.
I'm seeing you.
Hey, there we go, pulling up. He look. Hell, nigga, slow down. Slow down.
Whatever. Guys, I'm suing the pants off.
Shut up!
Thanks, Chris. I'm suing the pants off you.
Does have like hand sanitizer? Yeah, I do with my door. I got her.
Ooh, she got all. You can see her. Oh, bro, when I bite myself, you can't see all my teeth like that. You can see that shit perfect.
Does have like hand sanitizer? Yeah, I do with my door. I got her.
Oh my god.
You're getting sued. I can't say that, baby.
Stand up.
Oh yeah, that skinny,
Yes, you
slim woman gotta deal.
I'm suing the
Gotta
pants
deal
off you.
with this big.
Yeah, I heard you the
fat woman.
first time.
Ooh, I know you little.
What's your name?
Courtney Murray.
Courtney Murray. I do know you. Huh?
You tough? Huh?
Alright. Coming back for me?
Man, I know her breath smell like shit.
You should do that to me.
Oh, they didn't even peep. Wait, they didn't peep? You didn't peep her hair right there? Man, I ain't even noticed.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
What the fuck? She was
There's some hand
drink.
sanitizer on there.
Yeah, f me over! Me over! Me over! Mario, my buckle!
Whoops, sorry. You think she's gonna spit on you and kick your things and...
I think she might.
Dumbass left the keys in the car for all we
I'm gonna take
know.
this back to them real quick.
I wouldn't mind continuing. Might need a cage for
Incoming
transport.
takeoff and dumbass. They don't got a clue in the world. They just sitting around. Hold up, guys. Where's my keys? You're not even watching her to see what she doing? Why? Wait, do she see it, or did she see it, or is she too scared to say something about it?
Hey, it's Hilgeman.
Hey, good thing I ain't let her take this. That's a good. Good thing she took the SUV. We got a car seat
I'll
back
get a better
there.
look at it when she comes back out here, but
Oh,
Robert's
we
got
got
a pretty good bite.
Damn. And here she go. Ugh. I wonder what her. This nigga got on the phone? Who you get on the phone?
If you know of family or anybody, I'll hold on to that.
It's 415. We're in pursuit of a patrol car.
Why all the excitement? You okay?
Yeah, she just didn't want to go.
They stole her. Oh, they stole her.
Can't pursuing a patrol car. That's in travel.
Ooh.
Coming up Portland.
Oh, I thought she was coming around. We see you, Midwest.
Let's go north on Moreland.
North on Moreland.
Get after it. Stay calm, you're good.
6409 and 608. 408, 6115 is pursuing a patrol unit. White. Approaching white. 648.
Straight through.
Clear right, go through it. So we might have a T coming up, so get close. You're not pit trained, are you?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, she's
Still northbound, coming up to Bailey. Speeds are 100.
100 miles an hour.
Brake, scrub.
The MSP cruiser.
A-firm.
Eastbound Bailey.
Turning north on Mason.
We're northbound on Mason.
Bro, it's crazy because your training is your training is real life situations. You dead ass. Oh my gosh, your first day, your Ricky Cop, you don't know. Your first day might be a life or death situation. You dead ass might die your first week of the job.
Bailey.
Oh my god, I can't be no cop.
Continuing northbound, coming up the power line.
Northbound Mason from Blakely approaching the power line.
Dead end up here.
The road should dead end.
Going back east on Power Line Road.
We're eastbound on Power Line Road from Mason.
Check westbound. Doing good. Just keep your bearings. We're on dirt. No shot on Swanson.
Northbound on Swanson from the power line.
Coming up to 140. It's still northbound. Alright, hold up. Slow up. Just in case. Alright. She's still up there. Make it up.
Got a new way to get it at one.
Coming up to a River Drive.
Northbound Swanson approaching River Drive.
We're on Fitzgerald Avenue now, northbound.
Damn.
One northbound on Fitzgerald.
Scrub.
Eastbound on South River Drive from Fitzgerald.
Alright, get after it. Go.
Now is she driving that hoe though?
31-7 around. 2028.
Going through the curves, coming up to 128th Street.
In the curve, approaching 128th on South River Drive.
Scrub. Yes. Alright, slow up, just in case she turned left here. See the dust, right? Yep. Still on South River Drive, heading north. Coming up to running near lane.
Oh, she can hear it too. I
Scrub. Yes.
God damn.
Nice scrub. Looks like a pretty sharp turn. Scrub. Pass it. Coming up to Warner Avenue.
Approaching Warner Avenue, we have an illegal unit in the area advising the neighborhood.
They're all clear. It's alright, get up there. We should be able to see her.
But what is her objective with this, bro? She just out here to have fun at this point. Like, they're going to get you. Like, what is the objective?
And we're going to be northbound on Warner Avenue, right by the river. Get up, it's all the way up there.
You visited the Tahoe?
To Tahoe. Continuing northbound through 112th.
Continuing northbound through 112th on Warner.
Oh, when she get a double one, turn that bitch.
Number 6415 taking second, Nuevo taking primary.
Go around and get after it. As soon as you're able, get back into the gas. Taking westbound shot on 100th Street.
Westbound on 100.
Disregard, it's going to be a DNR unit in lead.
DNR pit?
I don't know. Still westbound, speeds are 96, no traffic. So we're coming up to Green Avenue. Looks like she is continuing west. Dead end. Yeah, it says it's a dead end. So we're crossing Green on 100th dirt road.
Saran. Her big ass. Oh yeah, I was gonna say her big ass better not come around.
Continuing into the woods. Keep going. Cover.
God damn. Ooh. God damn.
Keep going.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm looking, I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, that's a bad, oh, that's a bad hit.
We're gonna be down by the creek, vehicle stopped.
Vehicle down near the creek.
Yeah, you did some now. Now they got a reason to take you in if they did that
Put your arms
first.
behind your back. Put your arms behind your back right now.
Stand up.
Up, down, up.
Stupid.
Let's go, feet up.
Chain that better.
Hey, enough. Don't make yourself worse.
Break my tongue out.
Alright. You guys got a cage?
You guy. Okay, you guys
Let's go.
You guys can carry me. I ain't walking.
Give me your legs.
Yep, you carry me, man. Yep. We from head to toe. Like with the top. Yeah, hold my arm like that. Yeah, hold my arm like that.
You can walk.
Let me go. You can't hold me.
You gonna walk?
Yeah. No, you can't.
Let's go.
Yeah, hold my arm like that. My arm's like, fuck. You shut the fuck up.
Let's go.
You walk?
Bitch don't even give a fuck. I'm already going to jail. I might as well get these niggas.
If you hold me like that, I walk. You don't hold me like that.
Let's go. We're gonna walk. Let's go. Come on.
You gonna stop pulling me like that? Should've thought about that before you got arrested. Off tomorrow. Pat him on back. Give him a blood.
Here he goes. Yeah, what happened, bro?
We assisted another troop and put her in the front. Next thing we know, she's in the driver's seat fleeing. Alright.
Is it one of your guys' cars?
No.
Who's your sergeant on right now?
Vashaw.
Vashaw.
Thanks, Sarge. Do you feel comfortable in trying to get the car up there, or you want me to do it? Okay.
I was the bridge. Both lanes had vehicles. Move.
I want to take a peek-see.
Yeah, he's got some metal stabbed up in there too.
The suspect, Courtney Morey, was taken into custody after traveling through private property for approximately a quarter mile. During the pursuit, Morey crashed into an old concrete bridge abutment, traveling about 21 miles per hour just before impact with the accelerator pressed and no braking applied. The vehicle sustained damage to the front driver's side fender, push bumper, and hood, and was subsequently towed from the scene. The officer who was bitten received treatment at Trinity Hospital. Morey was charged with assaulting a police officer, unlawful driving away, fleeing a police officer, and malicious destruction of police property. Morey was sentenced to 1 to 3 years of probation, with fees totaling approximately $1,234. Several times throughout the chase, the training officer instructs the driver to scrub. In emergency vehicle operations, drivers are trained.
Why Oh, he's training her. Yeah, she's a new trainee, bro. Yeah. Ain't
To
gonna lie,
break in
though.
a
She did
straight
her shit for her first time. I would have been